Good morning, students. Unit 3, Determination of Income and Employment is still continued, and today we'll discuss about exempt, E-X-A-N-T-E, exempt or planned saving and investment, and second term is ex post, that is actual or realized saving and investment. So, what do we mean by exempt saving? The savings which all households plan or desire to make at different levels of income during a period is called planned saving. Households saving करते हैं, तो हाउस होल्ड जो भी सेविंग प्लान करते हैं अपने अलग अलग लेवल्स ऑफ इनकम पर, दैट्स नॉट एक्चुअल, दैट्स ओनली अ प्लानिंग. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड exempt savings. And exempt investment, the investment which the firms or investors plan or desire to make at different levels of income in the economy during a period is called planned investment और exempt investment. जो इन्वेस्टर्स हैं वो भी प्लान करते हैं कि भाई मेरे पास इतनी कैपिटल है, उसमें ये इन्वेस्ट करना है, मुझे इस तरीके से प्रोडक्शन वर्क स्टार्ट करना है. तो द अमाउंट ऑफ प्लान्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट इज गिवन बाय द इन्वेस्टमेंट डिमांड फंक्शन. इन द सेम वे द अमाउंट ऑफ प्लान्ड सेविंग्स इज गिवन बाय द सेविंग फंक्शन. Other term is ex post or actual saving and ex post investment. Ex post savings refer to actual amount of savings made in the economy at the end of the period during a financial year. जो planned होता है that is in the beginning of the year, and जो actual है that is at the end of the year, and these will be same. It is not necessary. इन दोनों का सेम होना ज़रूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि ईयर के बिगनिंग में जो चीज़ें हम प्लान करते हैं कई बार हमारी एक्चुअल इवेंट्स, एक्चुअल सिचुएशंस चेंज हो जाती हैं और हम कोई इमरजेंसी आ जाती है और हम उतना सेव नहीं कर पाते जितना हमने प्लान किया था. सो वॉट एवर इज़ प्लान्ड मे नॉट बी द एक्चुअल. In the same way, ex post investment, it refers to actual amount of investment made by all the entrepreneurs in the economy at the end of the period. So, the difference again, exempt investment is the investment which is desired to made by the firms and planners in the economy during a particular period in the beginning of the period. And ex post investment of the period is measured after the fact is called actual or ex post investment. It is noteworthy to mention that Keynes included in the investment of unsold goods which he called unplanned investment. So actual investment equals planned plus unplanned investment. जो हमने प्लान किया हुआ इन्वेस्टमेंट और कई बार हम अनप्लान्ड इन्वेस्ट भी करते हैं, तो इन दोनों को प्लस करके ही हमारा बनेगा एक्चुअल इन्वेस्टमेंट. एंड नाउ विल सी एग्रीगेट डिमांड एंड एग्रीगेट सप्लाई अप्रोच दैट इज कंपल्सरी टू बी इक्वल फॉर द कंडीशन ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम. सो what are AD and AS we have discussed already. Briefly, AD refers to the total expenditure on final goods and services in an economy. AD is equal to C plus I. C कंजप्शन पर किया गया एक्सपेंडिचर और I इन्वेस्टमेंट पर किया गया एक्सपेंडिचर. एंड व्हाट इज एग्रीगेट सप्लाई? It refers to value of total output available for purchase in the economy during a given period. Aggregate supply is represented by national income. जितनी भी aggregate supply है that is converted in income by accounting its market value. So aggregate supply is equal to consumption plus saving. AS is equal to C plus S. And equilibrium level of income is determined at the level where AD is equal to AS. Aggregate supply is equal to aggregate demand. And second approach is S is equal to I. Saving is equal to investment. Alternatively, equilibrium level of income is also determined at the level of income where S is equal to I. So, determination of equilibrium level of income S is equal to I approach. So, determination of equilibrium when S is equal to I. It is investment and saving function will starts below the baseline S and equilibrium is struck where S is equal to I, and on x axis we show income or output, and on y axis we show saving and investment. So, where the savings becomes equal to investment at E point, that is the point of equilibrium where S is equal to I. One thing we have to learn here, the adjustment mechanism. It's not always that S is equal to I. Sometimes S is more than I, sometimes S is lesser than I. So, how to adjust, how it will be adjusted? So, when planned saving is more than planned expenditure, S is more than I, then excess of planned savings over planned investment means that buyers are planning to buy lesser outputs. कि अगर सेविंग ज़्यादा है इट मीन्स लोग एक्सपेंडिचर कम कर रहे हैं, सेव ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं, एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स जितना सेल उनको करना था वो उतनी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. तो इससे क्या होगा कि अनसोल्ड इन्वेंट्रीज विल बी एक्यूमुलेटेड, अनसोल्ड इन्वेंट्रीज उनके पास इकट्ठी हो जाएंगी, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट नेशनल इनकम विल फॉल एंड प्लान्ड सेविंग विल स्टार्ट फॉलिंग. जो प्लान्ड सेविंग मोर थी अब वो इनकम कम होने से वो भी कम होना शुरू हो जाएगी until it becomes equal to planned investment. So, it is an adjustment mechanism. And other situation, when planned saving is less than planned investment, S is less than I, it indicates that buyers are planning to buy more goods and services than producers are planning to produce. यानी कि जो कंज्यूमर्स हैं वो ज़्यादा एक्सपेंडिचर कर रहे हैं, ज़्यादा गुड्स और सर्विसेज बाय कर रहे हैं. तो इट इज़ द सिचुएशन ऑफ एएस फॉलिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ एडी. तो ऐसे में क्या होगा कि एग्रीगेट सप्लाई एडी से कम रहेगी क्योंकि डिमांड ज़्यादा है, सप्लाई कम है. एज अ रिज़ल्ट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन को एक्सपेंड करेंगे प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड नेशनल इनकम विल राइज एंड planned saving also will start rising until it becomes equal to planned investment. So, always S is equal to I. If there is an imbalanced situation, it will be adjusted automatically, and in an economy the condition of equilibrium is that savings are equal to investment. So, students, that's all for today. Thank you.